Hello friends, good morning. Today we got one laptop which have camera issue. We cannot find your camera. So let me open camera application once more. I will show you the what error actually we are getting. So after opening this camera application, we will get this code, and downside we will get the error code also. So to solve this error, we will find out the camera application and go to app setting. I will zoom it and show you. So you can see the application setting, and in this application setting we can see this is camera application, and downside we will get the camera button. So we will power off and power on it, and after this we will check out. If not solved, we will reset the camera application. So you can see the reset button downside. We will just click and reset it. After resetting, it will work, because sometimes the camera have disabled because of some setting is mismatch or any virus. That's why this is not working. So let's reset it. So it is taking time, but don't worry, it will reset. After resetting, it will work. If it will not work, we will restart and again check. So see, it was reset. After reset, we will just click in terminate. So we will terminate from here. We can close from the camera application there also, but we can terminate from here. It will close all the camera session from the laptops. Now we will check camera is working or not. So let me open the camera again. So see, this is not solved. Again the problem is same. So that means we have to restart once. Let me restart my PC. So my PC get restarted. So now I have checked camera but not working. So I am going to check device manager. So to check device manager, we will right click on this PC and manage. After clicking manage, we have to wait for some second because it is taking time. So see, we can see the device manager is opened. So now we will click in device manager, and we can see all the devices which are installed and plugged in, but we cannot see a camera device here. So see, we cannot see any camera device here, and in clicking other devices we can get some drivers are missing. After updating drivers, maybe the issue will be solved, but we cannot see a camera driver in missing parts also. So I hope it will not solve. So to solve this, we can update your Windows also. Otherwise we can use any third-party application which is DRP, which is free and easy to access. So I'm going to download the DRP. You can just simply search like in video and click download. I have downloaded this application, and I'm going to open the application. Now going to start installation. Till it is scanning my system, I'm going to show you device manager. Some drivers device gets updated, and in view button we will show hidden device. So we can see here camera device also, but the camera device was little bit blur, and we cannot see enable and disable button here. It should be enable and disable button should be there. So it is going to scan. I am going to manually scan. So we can see here the camera is blur. That means a system was not detecting hardware. Okay, and we see the software also scan completed, but we cannot see any camera device. That means it is sure we have a problem with hardware. So let me reopen laptops and check hardware error. So I'm going to shut down my PC and going to disassemble my laptop and check step by step. So now you can see this is camera module, and I have replaced new camera module. This is a old camera module, and this one is new camera module. I have replaced this new camera module. So let's check camera is working or not. So you can see I'm opening camera application, but now also the same error code is giving. So that means the camera is module is okay, but this problem is not solved. So one more problem, it's have maybe the LVDS cable is damaged, but we have another laptop, we have checked with that laptop but same issue. So let's see what next. I think it's maybe the hardware problem. So we have opened the motherboard. See, this is the back panel and this laptop is Latitude 5400. So you can see here service tag also. So let's shut down the laptop. You can see we have disassembled laptop successfully, and this is our motherboards. I am going to remove battery first. So after removing battery, we are going to remove CMOS cell also. This is RTC cells. We have to remove this also. And this one is our SSD. So we will remove SSD. After all, we are going to remove all the input output device or peripheral devices. And this is our LVDS cable. Maybe the problem will have with this section only. So I am going to show you board part number, but that was hidden behind the RAM, so I am going to remove the RAM also. So now you can see some content is written. There is our board part number. So you can see here clearly our board part number is LA-G891P. I am going to repeat, LA-G891P. This is our board part number. With the help of this board part number, we can search a schematic and board view. With the help of, we can easily rectify the problem. So I'm going to search out in my PC LA-G891P. So you can see this is our schematic. So you can easily find out the problem. So we have problem with LVDS section because camera is connected to LVDS. So we are going to place out the number. So that is the number. I'm going to search. JEDP1. This is a LVDS number. So I'm going to search it out and we'll find the connection point. So we can get the connection point. Here we can see each and every pin details connected with LVDS hub. So in this pin detail we need only the camera pin. So we can see all pins. We got these two pins, pin number 14 and pin number 11. 3.3 volt camera, and another one is camera underscore mic CBL detect. Okay, I am going to mark it 3.3 volt camera, and another one is camera mic CBL underscore detect, and this one is pin number 14 and another one is pin number 11. So now you can see easily pin number 11 and pin number 14. These two pin we have to check. I am sure that maybe the problem with these two. So with the help of board view, we will going to trace any easy place or easy component point where we can trace it easily or not. So see, this is our pin details, and we can see here pin number 14, and in pin number 14 if I click, I can see only the pin number 14 is connected with CPU. That means if pin number 14 is faulty, that means we cannot solve the camera issue because it was only connected to CPU. And pin number 11 is connected some components. That means if there is problem with pin number 11, we can solve this problem. We have a chance to solve this problem. Okay, so let's check it once more. Pin number 14. So I'm going to show you in board. So let me remove motherboard from the body. So I'm going to remove the motherboard from the body. So I have removed motherboard from the body, and you can see here LVDS sections. I'm going to zoom and show you. This is our connection name JEDP1, that is Jack Display Port 1. Okay, so we will going to count the pin number 1 2 3. Let me connect microscope. I will show you in microscope clearly, and I will show you multimeter also. So see, I have set the microscope, and here I have counting. This is our pin number 11, whose value is totally undefined. It is not a real value which should be. And I am going to check pin number 14. This one is almost good, but let me count once. 1 2 11 12 11 is C, problematic, and 14. Yeah, this is the right value. That means my CPU is good. I don't have problem in CPU section. If there is CPU section problem, that means we cannot repair that. Only this one option we have to change the CPU. Okay, but we have a problem in pin number 11. That means we have a chance to repair this motherboard. So we can see these components have. So I'm going to open the board view also side by side, and I am going to show you. Okay, so you can see the components. Too much dust, let me clean it. So you can see side by side, this is our board picture, and in right side there is board view. Same section is this. Okay, so see, here is fuse. In board view also we can see the fuse, but in motherboard there is no physical switch, simply there is jumper. So no issue, that jumper is connected with one MOSFET QZ1. I'm going to search the logic in schematics. So let me search it. So we find out. Yeah, this one is our QZ1. This is our P channel MOSFET. Which should be power on. It will power on. Okay, and it was connected with these two fuse, and here is source, drain, and gate, and it was connected with this fuse. I have marked in circle, and I'm going to check this fuse. See, in multimeter we didn't get any value. I didn't get any beep because it is beep mode, but I didn't get any beep sound or any value like it was okay. I am going to check another one for comparing. So you can see there is 0.008. I am going to check another one also. See, 0.000.8. That means that two are working, but this one is not working. So let me fix this one. To fix this one, I am going to use paste, and I will just fix a simple one jumper. After fixing jumper, it will solve. So let me fix the jumper. So we have fixed the jumper wire, and it is very easy to solve. We can change the fuse also, but we don't have same fuse. That's why I'm going to put a simple jumper. After putting jumper, I'm going to just cleaning, and I'm going to check. See, 0.7. That means the fuse was solved. In this board there is no software problem. This was problem related hardware. So I'm going to reinstall all the components which I have removed, and let's me check it is working or not. So our laptop is ready, power on, but let it be take because it was reset because we have removed all the batteries. Let me open camera. So you can see successfully work done. Wow, we do it. So you can see our camera is working. In device manager also we can see the camera is highlighted now. Hope this video will help you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.